What is up, artists, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about staying consistent on YouTube. I did do a poll on my community tab, so if you haven't been checking out my community tab, I've been shouting out all my new subscribers. I've been sharing all types of stuff on there. So go and check it out, show me some love, thumbs it up, leave comments. Today we're going to talk about how to stay consistent on YouTube. Some of y'all are wondering how you can stay consistent on YouTube. YouTube is a lot of work. A lot of people don't realize that. Some people think like, okay, you're doing it for fun, so it's fun, but it's a lot of work and it takes a lot of time, right? Time from people, time from whatever else you could be doing. It does take some time, right? So if you want to be consistent, you need to set some time, schedule a day, a few hours, one of those days where you can record multiple videos at once. Right? Okay. So no one is recording videos on different days anymore. Okay? We're gonna leave that in 2018. We want to be consistent in 2019. So a great way to be consistent in 2019 is to pre-record videos. You want to stay there. Say, give yourself 2 hours, right? Each hour has 60 minutes. You can record a lot of videos in 1 hour, a lot. Depending on how much space you have. I understand, like some devices won't have as much space. So if you could record 2 or 3 videos in a day, you should do that. If you could record 4 videos in a day, 5, 6, 7, 8, try to record as much videos as possible and just take your time and edit with each one. And then once you're done editing each one, just upload them on YouTube. Save them. You don't even have to schedule them, just save them, and then when you get a chance, you go back and you get them out there. That is how you stay consistent on YouTube. Another way to stay consistent on YouTube is, if you're not uploading videos, try to go and support other channels that have similar content or have content that you like, because what will happen is you're commenting on all these videos, they're seeing your name, they're seeing your face, and they're like, okay, she's alive, she's around. So when you upload a video, it's like, oh, she uploaded a video, click, I'm gonna click on her, because you always supporting all the different channels, always leaving comments, they see in your face, so they know you here, right? So while you're not uploading videos, always support other channels, make your presence known so that people know that you're still here. So in 2019, we are going to grow our channels. We're going to be successful at it. We're going to get thousands and thousands of subscribers. We're going to collect them coins in 2019. Everything is going to be great. We're going to stay positive and forget about all the negative things that the enemy is trying to put in our way. We're going to do great in 2019, okay? So if you have any questions, any issues, any problems that you have on your channel, go ahead and leave a question down below and I will try my best to answer it, because I've been at this for a while, okay? A while. I've been at this for a while. I kind of know certain things. I'm still growing in the process. and I'm still learning and I'm still growing. So if there's something specific that you really need help with, just let me know in the comments down below so that I could have an idea of what type of YouTube tips y'all want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Back of love seems like a daydream. Even now I visit every single place we've been. All the time